Eating better isn't really that difficult. Here, it just came out of the microwave, but I have about 190 grams of grilled chicken. It's about 46 grams of protein. I'm going to just take regular shredded cheese, about 14 grams. I'm probably not even going to do that much. But if I did, it would give me another 3 grams of protein, 1 carbohydrate, and like 4 grams of fat. But I'm probably not even going to go that high because I just do it for flavoring, not really for anything else. And then I'm just going to do some barbecue sauce. 2 tablespoons is 70 calories, but that's about like what, 36 grams? Yeah, so I'm probably not even going to do that. Yeah. Yeah, so did a little less than 36. So it's actually, so figure, let's just do a whole serving of that. That's 70 calories. What I usually, sometimes I do is I add just like the pre-made salad mix you can get in the bag. Just, it adds texture. That's really it. It doesn't really do anything else. It's a salad. It's lettuce, shredded carrots, and that's it. So it's just more of a texture issue with that. But something simple like this, you're looking at 46 to 49 grams of protein, uh, 3 to 5 grams of carbohydrates in total. Because you don't know exactly what the chicken is cooked with, if it's store bought. I did not make this chicken myself. It is pre-made. So there's always some sort of preservative in that. And then 70 calories from the barbecue sauce. So it's not calorically dense. It hits my protein that I need and gives me some really good flavor. Have this with a really large water, and that's my second meal of the day. I'm already 62 grams of protein in from my post-workout shake from this morning. So by 9 a.m. on this Friday, after I eat this, probably closer to 9:30 a.m. on Friday, I will have ingested 108 grams of protein already, minimum, by 9:30 a.m. I still have the rest of my day to hit my protein goal, which is 240 grams per day based on my size and my exercise level and all my nutrient needs. So store-bought grilled chicken, a little bit of cheese, a little bit of barbecue sauce, and I hit all my macro needs. For texture issues, you could add some chopped up salad to it. Doesn't really add anything as far as nutrients or calories to it. But again, texture. I don't eat too much of the salad because, roughage. So eating well is really simple, and it doesn't have to be boring, and it can taste great. So if you have any questions, let me know. Thanks.